Hey everyone, and welcome to the 19th video of this playlist in which I will show you 30 CSS properties in 30 days. In this video I will show you a very fun property in CSS called animation. Yes guys, and in this video I will show you how to do animations in your website, how to create cool animations. So we will see exactly how to do that. Okay, so without wasting and before starting this video, hit the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to Techie Web Dev and press all notifications so you will never miss any future videos. Now let's continue with our topic. Any more time, let's do this. And if you will take a look in your website, we have a simple p tag here which says tutorial, and I have written some CSS for it. Okay, you also know this. Okay, nothing advanced here, just I have given some background color and border radius and etc. Alright, so to create a animation and a good looking animation in your website, first of all you have to give it a name in like which element you want to add animation. So in this case I want animation in this p tag over here, okay, which says tutorial. So you will come it here and write animation, and you can see it a property called animation name. Now you have to write a name here. You can write anything over here, okay, like anything. Let's say I write tute, so you can write tute, and let's say you write anime, you can also name it anime. So let's just do this now. Then you have to write let's after the animation name you have to write animation duration. Okay, it is the time, like uh, the duration of the animation, okay, how long you want the animation. So let's just do 5 seconds for now, we will see the later. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And then we have only like given the name and duration. Okay, so what animation we want here, we have to define it after this p tag. Okay, so after this p tag you have to write at the rate, then write key frames. Okay, just like that, keyframes. And then after keyframes write your animation name. So my animation name is anime, so I've written here anime. Okay, then enter curly braces, and then inside this curly braces you have to define from what, like the starting point of the animation and the ending point. So for starting point you have to write from. So let's say from, and then curly braces, let's say I have to write left 0 pixel. Okay, what I am saying is the animation will start from left equal to 0 pixels. Okay, it means that like the starting point of the animation is the left of this p tag of this tutorial will be 0 pixels. Then the ending point, let me just copy this down, ending point will be 2. Okay, so remember this, the starting is from, the ending is 2. And if I'll just write 100 pixel here, okay, 100 pixel, and now if I'll just save it, you can see our tutorial is moving, okay, from 0 to 100, and then it just gets back to its original position. And all of this it will done in 5 seconds. So if I'll just reduce this 5 second to 1 second, now if I will save it, you can see it will take only 1 second. Okay, I will just again save it, you can see it just taking only 1 second. And if you will notice, it is just only like animating once. If you want more than one time to animate, you can define its animation iteration count. Okay, right here. Now you can define any number you want. So let's say 2, and if I just save it, like 1 2, so it will animate 2 times. And if you want infinite times, you can also write infinite, and now it will just animate infinite times. Okay, so this is how you can like animate anything in your website. Okay, and one more property. Okay, oops, So one more property is there, which is transition style. Okay, so what is it? Not this, sorry. Let's just get rid of that. That is transition property we have seen, not property. So let's see transition property. So here we have to write linear. Now the animation is linear. Okay, so if I'll just remove this linear and write ease in. So ease in also is a also property. So you will see the initial animation is ease and then it will get faster. So I will recommend to write linear, okay, because it is just look smooth. Okay, so this is also another property, okay, which is called animation timing function right here. Okay, so if you will take a look at here, it is not linear. Okay, it is just moving very fast, then it slows down. So if you want like linear, you just have to write linear here. So as you can see here, now it is just linear animation. Okay, it looks more smooth. Alright, one more property is here for animation, which is called animation delay. As the name suggests, it will delay how many like seconds or minutes you want. So if I'll just write 5 seconds here, and whenever I will save it, after 5 seconds the animation will start. So we will notice. So let's save it, and 1 2 3 4 5. So yes, as you can see here, now it is moving. After 5 seconds it will start the animation. So you can write this delay, okay, if you want an animation delay. So just let's remove this here. All right, and one more thing I want to tell you, in this keyframes property, that you don't have to write from and to, you can also write percentages. So if I'll just write 0%, and let's here if I'll just write 100%, it will just work fine. And what's cool about percentage, you can even write any percentage here. Okay, so if we'll just write 40% and let's say 50%, I can write it here. Okay, so let's say 50%, and whenever the animation is completed 50%, I want the left one to be 100 pixel, and then once again 100, like whenever the animation is complete, it will get back to its original position. Okay, so let's see. So as you can see here, the animation is now looking even more beautiful. Okay, and not only you can write one property here, you can even write more than one and many properties here. So let's see what I mean by that. If I just write transform here and scale, let's say 1, it will not affect here, okay, because 1 is the original scale. And let's in 50%, let's decrease the size, let's say 0.5, and whenever it is 100%, I will just say 1. Now if I just save it, you can see it is just moving towards 100 pixel and also changing the scale also. So if I'll just write instead of 100 pixel, let's say 400, you can see. So as you can see here, it is just moving towards 100 pixel, like 400 towards left, and also changing the scale. So with this you can create some cool effects. So let me just comment all these left properties. Okay, so yeah, as you can see here, it is looking pretty good. Also you can write even more properties. Let's say this x angle, let's say 0 degree. All right, and I will just copy this down here, and I will write this will be, let's say 0.5, and this will be 180. All right, and I will copy this down, then finally 0 degree and 1, and now I will just comment all these scale ones. So now you can see, if I will save it, you can see what I mean. You can create many like cool effects. Okay, let's just do y axis instead of this x. Okay, Let's just do Y here, and oops, and also here. Let's see. So as you can see here, it is like looking through great. Let's do Z axis also, and now it will look even more cool because it will just rotate in Z axis so that you can clearly see. So as you can see what I mean by that, if I'll just do this 360 here, let's just do 180 here and 360 here. So it will just like create a circle. Okay, and let's just remove this here. So as you can see here, you can create a rotate button or any animation. So yeah, these are the examples that you can have in your website, and I have shown you that you can create any animation, any great animation, and you can add that in your website. And I hope you have learned how to add an animation, a very good looking animation in your website. So that's it for this video, guys. I will see you in the next one.